In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to use Earthquake in Jujutsu Shenanigans. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna give you easy to follow instructions on how to properly use the Earthquake move available in Mahagara's skill set. So as you can see, it is going to be the third ability available, and it tells you to hold the button. So this ability allows Mahagara to slam the fist into the ground, causing AoE damage and destroying the area. And this is how it looks. So all that you have to do is hold this button and then let go on a specific moment. As you can see, if you miss the moment, nothing happens. So I'm gonna remove cooldowns really quick and I'm gonna show you the proper move. So this is how it looks when you get the timing down. As you can see, you have to do it as soon as the little square is complete. This is going to require a lot of practice, so I recommend that you join a private server and you keep practicing. Eventually, you will develop muscle memory and you will be able to get a bunch of times in a row. The best way to practice is, like I said, is just to go into a private server and try to get the timing down, get a feel for the timing, and then try to get it a bunch of times in a row. As you can see here, I'm pretty much used to it now. And of course I miss, but you get the idea. So all that you have to do is find a comfortable spot where you can let go of the button and you will be able to reliably get the timing down. So keep holding the button and then let go once the square is basically going to complete. Like I said, there is no specific timing, and this is also going to differ depending on your connection. So if you have poor connection, you have high ping, then the timing is going to be different. This is why it's very important that you join a private server and you practice on your own time. If you hold it for too long, this is what happens. And if you let go too quick, once again, nothing happens once more. So you have to let go at a very specific time. Usually, it's as the square is starting to form and it is going to close in. So it's better that you release it earlier than too late. So just keep that in mind and join a private server, keep practicing, and you will be able to get this timing down. Of course, there's going to be a cooldown associated, so you won't be able to spam this move in actual servers. I'm only using a private server to show you how it looks and what you should do to get it reliably. I hope I was able to help you on how to use Earthquake in Jujutsu Shenanigans. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.